You're watching European News, and I'm Anne-Sophie Estray. There are many famous people in the world that have tattoos. Many of them have only one or two tattoos, but others has all a body full of tattoos. Out of the celebrities, Justin Bieber is one of that gets all the attention when he gets a new tattoo. His fans call believers. Got shocked and hysterical every time when he posts a new picture of a tattoo on Instagram and other places. From before, he has 11 tattoos, but now I got a new tattoo, so in total he has 12 tattoos. Many of the believers are concerned over that Justin Bieber will get a body who are full of tattoos. Is that a problem that believers care, or should he try not to care? That is a question many people are thinking about. That is his problem. If he wants to get a tattoo, that's what he should do. Because everyone has right to do what he wants to do, and they should not listen to the others' feedback.